Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you RedBubble versus Amazon Merch. Which one is better? Amazon Merch and RedBubble are platforms that enable individuals to sell their design and artworks online, each offering unique features tailored to different types of creators and sellers. Amazon Merch allows sellers to create and sell custom designed apparel and accessories without upfront costs. Sellers benefit from Amazon's extensive customer base and prime shipping option, which can significantly enhance product visibility and sales potential. The platform offers easy to use design and tools and provides detailed analytics to track sales, performance, and trend. Seller earn royalties based on product sales with control over pricing. With Amazon's guidelines, Redbubble is known for its wide range of products, including apparel, home decor, stickers, and more, featuring designs created by independent artists. Sellers can upload their artwork to a variety of products, allowing for customization and personalization option. Redbubble provides a global marketplace with international shipping capabilities, enabling sellers to reach a diverse audience. The platform offers tools for managing storefronts, tracking sales, and engaging with customers through a community-driven approach. Choosing between Amazon Merch and Redbubble depends on your focus as a seller. Amazon Merch is advantageous for those looking to leverage Amazon's customer base and logistic network, primarily focusing on apparel. In contrast, Redbubble is ideal for artists and designers seeking a broader range of products, offering a community-centric platform for showcasing and selling artwork. Assessing your goals and target audience will help determine which platform aligns best with your selling strategy. So that's a comparison. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.